issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Greene County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brodhead, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, McFarland, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Cambridge, Orfordville, Footville, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, and Magnolia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and southeastern Wisconsin. This is the NOAA